Every year, the average Austin founder loses 13 full work weeks to a hidden cost, the administrative tax. This isn't a government levy, it's the dozens of hours spent chasing invoices, manually updating spreadsheets, and playing phone tag with delivery drivers. For a small business, this manual drain is a growth killer that prevents scaling, yet it remains a completely avoidable operational bottleneck. While many attribute small business failure to a lack of demand, nearly 50% of these companies fail by their fifth year for structural reasons. 2026 census data shows 29% of these failures stem from cash flow gaps linked to B2B bottlenecks. The root? 54% of local businesses still rely on manual spreadsheets for inventory. This reliance causes stockouts, costing retailers up to 40% of potential sales. These losses are compounded by a lack of middle-mile infrastructure, forcing small businesses to pay a premium for fragmented, one-off deliveries that eat their margins. This combination of manual tracking and expensive logistics creates a gap between making a product and scaling it, what we call Wholesale Death Valley. To understand the community-first vision behind our solution, we recommend reviewing our Austin Meet the Loop launch post first. Establishing that context is necessary before examining the specific mechanical engine we've built to bridge the logistics gap. We built the Velocity engine to provide the digital rails and batched logistics that allow local suppliers to operate with the efficiency of a global conglomerate. Instead of managing email threads and delivery drivers, you receive a verified B2B transaction notification while the logistics are already routed through the loop. By automating the acquisition and fulfillment cycle, we turn that 13-week administrative tax back into time for product innovation and growth. The economic impact is measurable. For every $100 spent through the loop, $68 stays in the community, compared to just $14 through national chains. When dollars circulate locally through this automated system, they provide the direct capital needed to create jobs and fund local schools. The administrative tax is optional. The tools now exist to eliminate it. You can explore our AI sourcing tools or view our membership tiers to see how the Local Legend Roadmap rewards businesses that keep dollars local. Reclaim your time and your margins. Stop paying the tax. Join the loop.